You love your first day of school? You love your first day of school?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's cold enough.
Too small. I want princess bed.
Mm-hmm.
Princess bed.
Yeah, princess bed. You like to tease Elisa.
Huh?
You like to tease Elisa.
Yeah.
Teasing
I
her.
actually did it too.
You say good morning.
Good morning.
Dito na tayo mga kasika sa work. Alas 9 pa lang. Tambay lang muna ako doon kay mag-edit ako ng video. Mag-upload. Later. Dito na tayo mga kajik, hindi na pala ako nakapag-update sa inyo. Nagnap ako saglit, kaya na pa ako nakaka-uwi kasi hanggang 1 lang naman ako. So ngayong oras ay, ano na, 3:05 na. So alis na si Mr. kasi magsusundo siya sa mga bata. Nakapinis ulit ako kasi bumangon ako. Akala ko ako yung magsusundo sa mga bata kasi nandito naman si Mr. Tapos pagbaba ko,
Do you get Lena first or Lisa?
Alisa first. Bakit bumangon ka? Siya daw yung magsusunod sa mga bata. Sabi ko ako na lang.
And how
Kamusta
do you-
bago?
Do you go up the steps or what do you do?
Yeah. I go up the steps. How you pick up Alisa yesterday?
No, I mean, maybe there's a better way when I do it. I don't know. You don't seem to, seems to be all over the place. But
You can go Alina first or
I don't know.
either way.
Because I waited forever for Lisa to get out. Is that, are they always late then?
Yeah. It's not late. It's just they come out 25 past 3. That's the
25
time.
past?
25 past, yeah.
Well, give me something for them to take now. Give me something. Give me some popcorn.
I had already there in the
Yeah,
backpack.
but they'll like something. Take something.
That is too much. Uy, Percival.
it's
Uy.
not. Just give me popcorn.
I'm not giving popcorn. It's enough.
It isn't. Give me
It's
popcorn.
not.
It's okay when they walk up. They need the energy. Give me a couple.
That's it, Percival. You had already there. That's it.
Give me two packets of popcorn.
Just this one. Oh, let them share that one.
Oh, one each.
I only got one left. Yeah.
What?
It's a lot in there.
What is it?
They like that one.
It's not sharing.
It's 8 inside. Okay, give me that then. Don't give that. You'll bring any then. Because I have already carrot stick in their backpack.
God, what's the matter with you?
Why you want to take more? That's why I give them earlier carrot stick. It's because you don't need to bring one. Take with you.
You might have eaten that already.
No, they don't. They always have it in their bag. They know that's for after school. I don't know.
Cold.
Huh?
It's cold.
Oh,
Yeah.
where's the caps? Give me the caps.
I got cups also in their backpack.
Alright.
Pinabaunan ko na yung mga bata sa backpack nila na tag-isa yung carrot stick na maliliit ba mga katsika kasi nga 'di ba? Para naman ganahan sila maglakad or pagkalabas nila ng school ba. So dito nga wala kasing malapit na shops mga katsika kaya palagi kaming nagbibitbit or ako or ginagawa ko yung naglalagay na lang ako ng ng something sa backpack nila kasi nag-school dinner kasi sila today. Sabi ko magdala na lang kayo ng carrot stick. Tapos hindi naman nila kinakain kasi alam nila na kakainin nila yun after school. Kaya ngayon ang mister magbitbit na naman daw siya ng popcorn daw kasi ibibigay niya daw sa mga bata. Sabi ko, wag na kasi meron ng carrot stick na isa sa kanila. Kanon, hindi talaga carrot stick. Carrot stick yung tawag nila. Yung ano yun ba, yung cheese, basta ganun siya. Parang carrots nga yung itsura niya. Kaya tawag namin yan carrot stick. Pero hindi talaga siya carrot stick mga kachika. Galing na ako doon sa taas. Nagsilip-silip ako sa tatlo. Wala pa talaga kasi from the window sa bedroom namin mga kachika, makikita mo yung dyan na side. Pag may dumadaan yan, tingnan nyo. Pag may sasakyan na dadaan, nakikita mo. Kaso wala pa eh. Diyan kasi sa school, bagong school nila ngayon, yung mga bata, pagkalabas nila lalabas sila ng 3:25. Tapos, didiretsuin sila sa playground mga kachika. Yan talaga palagi yung routine nila. Maglalaro yan sila mga 10 minutes, ganun. Kaya hindi agad-agad kami, or sino man yung magsusundo sa amin ni Mr. Hindi agad-agad madidiretso dito sa bahay. Uwi sila agad kasi nga maglalaro muna yung mga bata. Yan talaga yung routine nila palagi. Wala akong soup sa freezer kasi actually binibigyan ko yan sila ng soup pagka-uwi nila galing sa school kasi wala akong soup. So, mag-slice na lang ako ng fruits and then bibigyan ko na lang sila ng toast. Toast na may butter. Gusto nila yan. Lagay ko lang sa table tapos anuhin ko lang din ng fruits. Mag-ano na lang din ako mamaya. I think steak yata yung ilalagay ko mamaya. O bibigay ko mamaya sa kanila. Pero ako ditong tubig ba, hindi ko pa na pang ko siya, nilagyan ko. O yung saging ba, binabad ko yung balat ng saging. Binabad ko. Tapos ipang ko sa aking halaman. Naubos na pala yung apple. Diba kahapon bumili kami ng apple, yung maliliit na apple. Naghiwa ako ng dalawa, ginawa kong fries, parang fries ba ng pagkahiwa, gustong-gusto nila yan. Tapos yun, nagkain si Alisa, wala na pala, di ko alam kung ilang peraso ba, 4 na peraso lang yata yun, yung isang pack, ganun, maliliit. Di ko na nga kita kung may pa dito. Parating na din yun, naglalakad na yun sila papunta dito. Mangga. Kasi hindi talaga siya maganda. Kumatamis to. Hindi ko kasi ako nag-mouthwash ba. Hindi ko malasahan. Pero parang hindi siya masarap, hindi matamis. Kasi yung ganyan Hiwain ko pa din yan para sa mga bata. Yung white pala na strawberry, hindi nila gusto. Ako lang yung kumain niya. Nakakain ako ng 3. So, ako lang yung mag-uubos ako yan. Trinay ko lang naman mga kachika ba. Kung masarap pa siya. Kasi marami nga ako napapanood na ganito, ganyan. Tinatry nila yung white strawberry. Ako naman na-confused. Pero nakita ko na yan before, bago ko pa may napapanood sa TikTok or sa Reels na mga kumakain ng white strawberry. Nakita ko na yan dati sa MNS. Hindi lang ako bumili. Pero nung may nakita na ako na nagkain, kaya na ako, na-intriga na ako na bumili. Itong orange na to sobrang tamis. Nagkain ako kainin nito pagkatapos ko sa work. Matamis to pero bangit ang lasa kay yung mouthwash ba? Nasa bibig ko pa. Naririnig ko na. Nandyan na. Dito na nga. Hi!
When you open the door, woman?
I'm getting ready the fruits.
Huh?
I'm getting ready the fruits. Hello.
I love my first day of school.
You love your first day of school? You love your first day of school? You love your first day of school?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
That's the first of many. Huh?
Daddy,
What?
Mama, I got a
Good. Yeah, where's your iPad? You want your iPad?
Gagawa kami ng cornbread mga kachika. Ano to, 1 cup of polenta, 1 cup of self-raising flour, a little bit of salt.
Where's the cup? It's about half a cup, isn't it?
So ito yung dry. Then maggagawa si Mr. yung wet naman na ingredients.
So I got half a cup of butter. Melt that in the microwave.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I got buttermilk. Got that.
Whole one?
And then a cup of, a quarter cup of, give me a spoon, of brown sugar. So, quarter cup. Ooh. Right. Quarters. Would you say that's 3/4? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That's that. That's the wet. That's the wet now. The wet. Part of the wet. The buttermilk is part of the wet. So that's, I'm going to put the hot butter in there to make it dissolve.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do. Okay. So 1 egg. I'm going to put 2 eggs in there.
So because it's only small.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. I need a whisk for that. This one. Need a whisk.
Yeah, yes.
Fine. That's that. So, eggs, right. Dry. Dry. I got butter. Got buttermilk. I got egg. That was very hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. So now you put the hot butter. It's like too hot. In there to dissolve it, the sugar.
Okay.
Right?
It's like making
What?
banana bread.
Is it?
What's in there? Sugar and butter.
That's it.
Buttermilk next.
Well,
Eggs.
probably egg, I think.
Egg.
I don't know. Maybe buttermilk. I'm not sure. Yeah, put the buttermilk in. Cool
The
it
whole
down.
one, did it?
Hey?
All
No, it says It says 1 cup.
One cup. Maybe enough.
What? Well, dry cup first. Oh, use a spoon. Don't take it like that. Use a spoon. How much is 1 cup?
Yeah, 1 cup.
Oh, that's right then. Might need more. Or maybe not.
That's enough. Oh.
Yeah, for that rest, yeah. Right, see? Dissolved now. Huh? Huh. Last time I used didn't use that much. Alright, so that goes in now. Okay?
Okay.
Now it's cold enough probably to take the eggs.
The eggs.
Because I think if you put the eggs in first,
It will
they'll
cook, no?
Yeah, exactly. So it's cold now. And the sugar is dissolved. Look, look, look. Ah. Look, look.
Yeah, there's more on the bottom.
Dissolved. Is it? Yeah, that's the way.
Oh, yeah, looks good now.
Yeah. Dissolved. Huh? So you put the
eggs
buttermilk,
now.
yeah, eggs last.
So fall down the buttermilk because it's cold.
Yeah.
Then 2 eggs.
I don't know, 2, 3.
Only 2, yeah, it's enough.
Huh?
Only 2.
Oh, I'll do it your way. Do it my way. I don't like your way.
You don't like my way.
But see, what you should do is what I'm doing.
Beat it there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't put
Whole one then.
hole
Okay.
in. Just
Yeah. And that's it, Daddy?
what?
That's it?
Well, you've got to combine the two.
Yeah, and that's it.
Yeah. So you put the wet into the dry, I think, or the dry into the wet. I don't know.
The dry to the wet.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, the dry to the wet. You do it slowly, slowly. Mix it.
No, I think the wet to the dry.
Wet to dry, okay.
Yeah, because that bowl is bigger. And next time maybe put the wet in that bowl.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, no fuss on this one. Maybe too much. But
Not too close, huh? Not too close.
Stop.
Hindi na ito na. I'm gonna get ready your
And my stuff in here.
Okay. What's your? Oh, you're still already okay. What's your name? See you later.
See you later.
See you tomorrow in the morning. Okay. Okay. Say good night, Tita Grandma.
Good night, Tita Grandma.
Can I get into your bed now?
No, that's too small. I want princess bed.
Hmm.
Princess bed.
Yeah, princess bed.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a look online. Okay, lie down now. Okay, come on, lie down.
Okay.
I got your, where is your, ito pala yung hinahanap ko. Babasahin namin to. Hindi ko pa napasara yung aming cortina. Basahin namin to na Lisa. May nakasulat-sulat yan sa loob.